Today we shall be talking about the key elements of good tokenomics. As far as tokens are concerned, it's very important to see some of the elements, characteristics of tokens that can really be good for you before you even think about purchasing those kind of tokens. The first thing you want to think about, or you want to look at it, should be the sustainability. All right, sustainability, spending use cases. So when you look at a token, how sustainable it is, how is it, how can you spend it within a maybe within a particular time period, because it's very important. When you can spend it, it means that token can actually be used, all right, in future. So you have to look at the sustainability. The next point you want to also look at is holders. Holders benefit from project growth. Any good token, you should be able to see the benefits of the holders as far as the project is growing. Some projects can actually take some time to grow, and when it finally gain a lot of momentum, is people that came in the beginning, they need to actually benefit. If they don't, therefore holders are not benefiting from its growth. All tokens holders must benefit as the project is actually growing. The next thing you want to talk about is mechanism or a plan to stabilize token price. Sometimes when you get involved in token, if there are no plan for the price to be sustainable or stable, then it will be very, very difficult for that token to last for a long time. That's why sometimes you find a token, you see the chart will go up and at a particular time, then you will see the chart going down and the price will even go below the launching price. So it's very important to look at the plan to stabilize the price. If not, you are going to lose money. So always look at the mechanism that has been put in place for the price to be stable, not the price going down, 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 down. And before you know it, members, there is a fear, of loss. So you find people going out of the token, and before you know it, everything is going down. The next thing you want to talk about is the non-rigid emission schedule. Yeah, for a token, there should be some flexibility. If there is no flexibility, we can actually look at that token, because if it's so rigid and maybe the team is not being flexible, you might find the price going down at a particular time period, and members can finally end up losing money. The next thing you want to also look at is the design simplicity. Some tokens are so complex in their design such that you don't even know what to do when you log in, or maybe their apps are very, very difficult to use. So you want to make sure that the designs are very, very simple. So that's why we talk about design simplicity. All right. So guys, it's very important. Let's look about the types of token.